Alright, so today we're going to be doing beef ribs on the pellet smoker. We have our Green Mountain grill. We're going to set it up for 250 degrees. Nothing special with the seasoning, it's just regular salt and pepper. We're just going to do a light coating on both sides and then we're going to put it in the smoker and then it'll be Texas style. So this is my Green Mountain grill tailgate smoker. This is the hopper. You can hear the auger. We're just turning it on. And there's just enough room in here for about one big brisket. So it's a travel size and it's nice, but it works perfectly for my family. So we're getting it going right now. So my smoker is pretty small. So I'm trying to do 4 racks of ribs today. And to solve that problem, I'm going to set them up vertically, just to try and keep the meat as exposed to as much smoke as possible. So then I'm also going to maybe put apple cider vinegar or at least water at a minimum in there to keep everything moist and keep it from drying out. Alright, so the smoker's coming up is at 240 right now. We're not going to do 250, we're going to do 265, maybe get them done a little faster. But we've got them all set up. We went with water inside just to see what it comes out as, and we'll set the probe in. And I've got a second probe that I use. I always use 2 thermometers just to be sure. See you later. The ribs have been on for about 2 hours now. They're thinner than what the recipe called for, so they're cooking a lot faster. Okay, so we just pulled off the ribs. They were actually only on there for 2 hours at about 265. So now we're gonna take them and wrap them in aluminum foil, let them rest for 1 hour, and then crack them open and see what they look like. Final thoughts. A couple of them are a little too done. The thick ones cooked up well. Good salt, good smoke flavor. Overall, I would say it's successful.